Welcome freaking back. I am filming this intro in the future. I am so excited for you guys to watch Vlogmas Day 2. Oh my goodness. So as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we went to the Christmas tree farm. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited for you guys to see. But just imagine some crisp air, the scent of some pine, perfect cozy escape from everyday hustle. I mean, I don't know what could be better than the Christmas tree farm. You get away from all of that. You get to blend the magic of Christmas tree farm with the ultimate peaceful night in. I mean, it couldn't be any better. You guys know how I feel about some decorations, so whenever there is a Christmas tree around, oh buddy. So I hope you guys can enjoy, and I hope you guys join me as we jump right into the holiday season. I'm so excited to jump into the holiday season with you guys. Like I said, am filming this in the future. It is currently December the 1st. It's December. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's December. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video. So without further ado, let's get into Vlogmas Day 2.
That's way off. We need at least one. Hey guys, it's really cold everywhere, but if you stand in between the trees, it's actually a little bit warmer.
a Christmas tree farm day. A lot of people think, oh, we're going to get a Christmas tree. I see Christmas tree farm day as not only going to see and find a Christmas tree, but also the perfect day to spend with family, because it really isn't just about finding the tree. It really is about spending quality time with family, getting to experience that full joy of the holiday season with them. And I mean, it's a festive season. I'm gonna continue saying that because you can't go wrong with the festive season.
I said $5. Hey guys, this is really good. I'm gonna get uncomfortably close. Andy gave Cash really almost all time, I think. It's really good.
So we are obviously back home now. It is the end of Thanksgiving weekend. It is the end of our little break that we have. but I'm so excited. I really, really, really do just love Christmas Tree Day, and I really hope that you guys got to see why I love Christmas Tree Day. I really genuinely do just love getting to see family and get to spend some quality time with them while they're decorating the tree and while we're all in the hunt for the perfect tree. And the hunt is only part of the fun. The hunt is only a sliver of the fun that you get to have at the Christmas tree farm. So I'm going to kind of reflect on how the Christmas tree farm day went for us. I had so much fun. We got up early. We drove to Megan and Alyssa's. Alyssa sadly had to work, but we drove to Megan and Alyssa's, and then Megan drove us there. So we had such a fun time. We listened to Taylor Swift's Christmas album. We listened to Christmas Tree Farm over and over and over and over and over again. It was just a fantastic day. I really do want to give you guys a reminder of really just the simple pleasures of the festive season and the holiday magic that comes with Christmas time. So I'm going to end off this video with a little Christmas poem that just really has put me in such a good mood this morning while I read it, and so I just wanted to share with you guys just to remind you of the simple pleasures of the festive season. The tree is trimmed, the lights aglow, the house adorned in winter's snow. With laughter loud we gather near to celebrate this time of year. In every hug and every cheer, our hearts feel warm, our love sincere. From games we play to songs we sing, this season brings its magic ring. Around the table hands we hold, sharing memories new and old. For family's love so deep and true, Christmas is bright because of you. So I'm going to end this video off with that note. I really hope you guys just remember to have such a wonderful festive holiday season and just continue to live every single day with joy in your hearts and love in your soul. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you leave a comment downstairs, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.